When it comes to paying a mortgage, just because someone tells you you can afford the monthly payments does not really mean you can. The unexpected cost of owning a home sent one local woman into foreclosure. So we're taking action to arm you with the best information to make a really good decision for your family. ABC Action News reporter James Tully explains how to keep this from happening to you.
You might think it's sort of strange that Linda Van Doren has these in her office. I did.
The Wizard of Oz, there's no place like home.
It makes sense, especially when you know what it feels like to lose your home.
I mean, I was devastated. And losing your home after, doing work to it and painting and fixing, doing the way I wanted it, to give it up to somebody was hard.
Several years ago, refinancing became a nightmare for Linda when she says a loan officer recommended she take out a loan that didn't have a fixed rate. She says the taxes and insurance fees were overwhelming, forcing her into foreclosure.
You put your trust in people that you think would tell you the truth. And I'm speaking about loan officers.
Loan officers work with realtors to approve you for a loan. They look at your income, your debts, and decide what you can or can't afford. And Linda feels that one set her up for failure.
The old joke was if you could breathe on a mirror, we'd do a loan for you.
Ron Morris works as a loan officer for the Tampa-based mortgage firm. And while to an extent that old joke may have been true in the past, times have changed. For example, proving your income is a much more thorough process than it was even 5 years ago. But after talking with Linda, there's really only one question I wanted to ask him.
Are there times where loan officers can give bad advice?
Absolutely. So they're going to tell the client to a degree what they want to hear. I'm going to tell the client the way it is.
But Morris believes the majority of loan officers in the area are trustworthy. That cases like Linda's are rare.
I've been in the business over 30 years. That's never happened.
Yet the foreclosure rates in the Tampa area aren't just some of the worst in the state. It's some of the worst in the nation.
I mean, I think they may end up getting approved for something that they're not aware of all the additional expenses.
Bankruptcy attorney Gina Rosato deals with these cases constantly and points to things in addition to the mortgage you may have to worry about, like
$250 a month, homeowners association fees, $500 a month, property taxes, $100 a month for property insurance.
We get the point. They're expenses you need to make sure a loan officer is including in your monthly payments if they apply. It's exactly what got Linda in trouble. Now, she's a homeowner again, and actually works with the Housing and Education Alliance, who offer the same homebuyer classes that she says helped her get back on her feet.
So when you actually go to apply for a loan, you're armed with that knowledge that you can fight back. And if somebody says, well, this is a good loan, then you can come out and say it is not.
You're not the scarecrow. You have a brain. And when it comes to home buying, knowledge is power. James Tully, ABC Action News.
And if you're trying to decide if you can afford to buy, go to our Facebook page. We've posted a mortgage calculator to help you figure out how much of your budget will go towards paying for your home.